Alright, you know how this goes. Today's gonna be another lineup of Dunkin' Donuts. And today's gonna be the. Now, what comes with that is. Now, mine is gonna be a tad bit different. Now, I'm gonna be using a combination of the golden and the regular Oreos. And I took the middle and took it out. The middle, I put it in here, but I also put vanilla ice cream. I have a little bit of coffee ice cream. I'm gonna go ahead and use that up and put that in there as well. Heavy whipping cream, my coffee, it's instant coffee, as well as my vanilla extract, using my brown butter, and my salt. And I also have coffee ice. I'm gonna be using that as well. Okay, first I'm gonna put in my coffee ice. I really don't have to because I got the ice cream. However, if you didn't have the ice cream, I would probably tell you use this, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it. Now I'm gonna put in my vanilla ice cream as well as the cream that I took out the cookies. I'm gonna push this down a little bit so I can have enough room for the other ice cream. Okay, I'm gonna take the other ice cream and go ahead and put that in there. Even though I already have the coffee ice cream and the coffee ice, I still feel like I want to put that coffee taste a little bit. So I'm just going to put a little coffee. If you don't want to, if you want more coffee, go ahead and put that in there. Especially if you don't have the ice cream. Or if you have the one that's not instant, go ahead and brew it and cool it down some and put it in here. I'll use a little bit of my vanilla extract. Or half a teaspoon probably. I'm going to use like a half a teaspoon of my brown butter. If you don't have this, okay. Really don't need it, but I want to. And I'm gonna use a little bit of my salt. I'm gonna blend that up. Off camera, I forgot to put it in the whipping cream, so I put like a tablespoon in there and I blend it up, and this is how it looks. I taste this, that's good. I taste the coffee and everything, but you already know what I'm about to hit. So go ahead and meet me over there. It gotta be a little bit sweeter for me. Some people actually might love this, but I don't. I just like it. So I'm gonna put in like a little bit, probably like a tablespoon of powdered sugar. You don't have to do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put in my chocolate sauce. Let's put a spoonful. My cookies in there, and it's gonna be a combination of both. Because I'm not gonna blend it as long as I did it the first time. Alright, I blend it again. Wait, is that a chunk right there? Okay, this is the cup I'm going to use. Alright. This ain't what they doing, but it's what I'm doing. And I forgot something else. My ready whip. I don't know why I put those in there. I ain't got my straw today, so I'm gonna try to drink it like this. It's good. The coffee is out there. And I know y'all like, of course. The ice cream got coffee. You put coffee in there. Plus you had coffee ice, of course. That's why I want it mainly because I love the sweetness. However, the coffee got to be there too, baby. And it is. I taste the sweetness because at first I didn't taste it as much. And you'll think that's very weird because ice cream, both of them got sugar in it. It wasn't sweet enough. That's why I had to put that powdered sugar. And I wanted to put the white chocolate too. Even though Oreos don't have white chocolate per se, however, if you look at the Hershey's cookies and cream made with white chocolate, so I'm like, I gotta put, and I like the taste of white chocolate, so I'm like, let me put this in there. It's good. It's giving Oreo. It's good. I said in the video, it could have been more than one. Like frozen drinks, I'll drink it and I do like it, but it's gonna be an iced coffee or iced latte over frozen drink any day. I love cold drinks, don't get me wrong, but I like it cold with ice in it, not per se cold with like being frozen. However, this kind of works. I guess because it got ice cream, it reminds me of milkshake. I love milkshakes. And no, you're not gonna bring the boys to the yard. I don't want a boy, and I don't want any man. If it ain't the man that God got for me. Can't come to my yard, my house, nothing. Stay right where you belong. I know some people say, We don't want you anyways. And we both on the same page. Anyways, this is good. I'll rate this 10. 10 all day, baby. I also make this at home. Y'all have a blessed day.